morning, students. Today in this class we are going to discuss about binomial expansion method. This method comes under interpolation and extrapolation. In your examination you may get one problem based on binomial expansion method for 5 marks. To solve that problem you need to know two concepts. What is that? How to expand binomial terms and how to calculate numerical coefficient of y. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎರಡು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನ ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೌ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ n ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. n ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? n ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನೋನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನೋನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 3. y minus 1 to the power n value instead of n I am going to write here 3. n minus 1 to the power of 3 ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ y suffix 3 and next suffix is decreased by 1. y3, y2, y1, y0 equal to 0. We are expanding. We are beginning with y suffix 3, y suffix 2, y suffix 1, y suffix 0. Up to 0 we have to consider. Next, in the next step we have to assign signs plus and minus. Alternative sign we have to assign here. ಒಂದಾದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Here no need to write plus, it is already understood. Nothing is there means there will be plus. Next, minus. Next term is followed by minus, then plus, next minus. So here expansion is over. Expand ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ರೀತಿ when n is equal to 3 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. Next we have to assign numerical coefficient of y. To calculate numerical coefficient of y there is a formula. In the first year you had Pascal triangle. But in this year, in second PUC, you are having formula to calculate numerical coefficient of y. I have written here, see, now numerical coefficient of y is equal to the coefficient of previous y into suffixes of previous y divided by sequential order of previous term. Using this formula, we are going to calculate the numerical coefficient of y. Before that, we need to know node. What is node? Node. The numerical coefficient of the first term will be always 1. First term ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? y3. y3 numerical coefficient ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದಂತೆ? 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. 1. So next term ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ, next term the coefficient ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ based on this formula. Roughly I am writing here. The coefficient of previous y is how much? 1. Into suffixes of previous y is how much? 3. Divided by sequential order of previous term. Sequential term ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇ term ಇದೆ. So we have to write 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. That 3 we have to write here. Second term coefficient will be 3. In the same way we need to calculate y1 coefficient, numerical coefficient. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? See, the coefficient of previous y is how much? 3. 3 into suffixes of previous y is 2 divided by sequential order of term first and second. Second, you have to write second. 3 2s are 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. This 3 will be written here. Next, the same procedure is followed. 3 into 1 is 3 divided by sequential order of previous term is 1 2 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. In this way, we are going to expand the binomial terms. By expanding, after expanding these binomial terms, then only we can able to solve the problems. Here we have expanded the binomial terms. This is binomial terms. Now I am taking n value is 4. N is equal to 4. When n equal to 4, how to expand binomial term? We will see here. Y minus 1 to the power of 4. We should begin with y suffix 4, then decreased by 1. y3, y2, y1, y0 is equal to 0. Then next we have to assign signs. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು y0ವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ನ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ y. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ y is equal to previous coefficient of y into suffixes of coefficient of y divided by sequential order of the term. Using this formula, we need to calculate coefficient of y. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನು? 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1. 1 into 4. 1 into 4 divided by first term is 4. 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by second term. It is a second term. Sequential order is second. So 2. 2 1s are 2 6. This 6 is assigned here. Next 6 2s are 12. 12 divided by third sequential order. 4. 4 is assigned here. 4 1s are 4. 4 divided by order is first, second, third, fourth. Fourth order is 4 divided by 4 is 1. In this way, we are going to assign numerical coefficient of y value. Next, I will take one more example, that is n is equal to 5. So, y minus 1 to the power of 5 is equal to, how to expand it? First, we should begin with y suffix 5. Then, we will decrease it by 1. y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0 is equal to 0. Then we need to assign sign. This will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. 5 1s are 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 divided by third sequential order. 3 is 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 divided by fourth sequential order. 1 2 3 4. This 5 is assigned here. 5 1s are 5. 5 divided by fifth order. 5 divided by 5 is 1. In this way, we are going to expand this binomial term.